Okay. Come just share my screen. Last class we have seen about all table part. That means you have a table A is there, and we have added new column, add new column. Column. I will drop that column and we rename the column. Rename the table. This is the second part. That means here we are touching only upon the columns part. Okay. So that's why I said it's the second part. I hope everyone is clear about this part, right? No doubts. So today only 8 members are there. Next we will see some more statements called new statement called drop table. Drop table. Okay. Drop table. Table completely. Okay. So drop
Stomkar, I don't know whether it's for me or for everyone.
It's for everyone. We can't hear you basically.
Everyone.
We can't hear him, right?
Yeah, we can't hear him. It's pretty much laggy.
Use
Now, Omkar, I guess you have a network issue or something because we can't hear you properly.
1 minute. Am I audible now?
Yes, you are.
Now it's clear.
Okay. So now we are yesterday what I discussed is yesterday we have seen about alter table, that everything is a complete part of the columns part. Okay, this is not about the records part. And the part one you know very well. The part one is we discuss here part one. This is the part one. Create a database, create a table, adding a column, insert the record, display the select by using. In that case one, we see identity column, not null column, default column, and computed column. Also, we already discussed about display the values while you are inserting the records. So this is a part one. And part two, we are seen about completely alteration. So alter table part. That is called add new column, modify the column data type, drop the column, rename the column, rename the table. Now we will say one more thing is called drop table. Okay, drop table. So drop table means the name itself it is saying if you write the drop table statement, the table will be dropped. That means the table will be deleted completely. Okay, the table is completely will deleted. That's called drop table. So here the statement, drop table statement is to drop an existing table in a database. Okay, here syntax is very easy syntax ma. That is called drop table and your table name. Table name. Drop table, table name. Okay. Now we'll query that. We will see that. So select star product 6 will see from products 6. So product 6 is product ID, number of chocolates, price per chocolate, total price, right? So this is a product 6 action. If I want to delete this table entirely, okay, I want to delete this table entirely, so it's called drop table. Drop table. That is nothing but drop table, and the table name is called what? Product 6. Product 6. If I run this, so it is command completed successfully. Again, I'm running this. So here saying invalid object name product 6. That means the product 6 is not available now. You can refresh this. You can see the table. Now there is no product 6. So this is the statement now. Drop table product 6. We want to drop the table, and you have to be careful on this. What is that? If whenever you drop a table means it is deleting a table, will result in loss of complete information. There is no information stored further. That means the information also will lost. The information also lost when you drop table. Be careful with it. So drop table product 6.
Could you repeat it again, please?
Yeah, that only. First, when you see product 6 means you have seen some values, right? Okay. Suppose, okay, let me check this. Suppose product 4.
Okay.
Select this. Are you able to see the table?
Right.
When you drop this product 4, the entire table will be deleted.
Okay, so yesterday, whatever we did, we dropped a certain column, that's it, right? And today we are dropping the entire table.
Yes, entire table.
Okay.
Alter means that is a column related. Okay.
Okay.
Alter table means drop
Okay.
table means it's a table related. So what I'm saying is, if you drop a table product 4, the entire product 4 table will be lost. Then if you write a command, select command, it will not give any answer because there is no table at all. Please note on this. So next, suppose if you want delete all the information all the information or records, but not table. Okay. Suppose if you want delete all the information or record, but not table. So drop means table will be dropped, but information. So for that, we will use next. There's a one more option is called truncate table. Okay, truncate table. Truncate table.
So truncate table will delete only the records. That means the values we enter.
Yes, but table will be same.
Okay.
That is all. Okay. To delete all rows from table, all rows from table at a time. All rows from a table at a time. And here it is when you use truncate means all rows will delete. So there is no data at all. But table will be same. The columns will be same. Okay. Oh, but data is not is there in the table. So we cannot delete a specific row from the table. We cannot delete a specific row from the table. So it will delete all the things now. So that is truncate table, syntax I am writing, table name. Just try yourself this and check. Try yourself and check whether the table existed or not.
What?
1 minute, ma. 1 minute. Okay. So you want to truncate the table now. Now product 3 I will see. Select star from products 3. So what is product 3 is there in my database? Oh, nothing is there. Wow. Products 2. Yeah, something is there. Now, if I use truncate table, only this 1 TV, Hyderabad, 2 AC, these records is there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 records. This 1, 2, 3, 4 records will be lost. And remaining the table will be same like that one. Okay? The table will be same as it is. That is called truncate table products 2. If I run this and it will say command completed successfully, and again I am selecting this, I am seeing yes, the values will be lost. That is called truncate table. The values will be lost. Very simple. Please note down this. Now question for you. If you want drop multiple tables at a time. Okay, write the syntax. Write the syntax in chat box and show me. Write the syntax in chat box and show me. Use your knowledge. Don't do any Google or don't take any support. If you know only, you just write. If you don't know also, you can write. Just with your previous class sessions understanding, you just implement your own syntax, whether it is right or wrong. Okay. We want to draw the multiple tables at a time. Tell me, how can you delete that multiple tables?
You can write, I finished. I dropped the table.
Okay.
Multiple tables, like, if you put table 1, comma, table 2.
Yes, very good. Yes. Truncate table or drop table, whatever it is. Multiple means. So I have many tables I have, right? So I will drop all the tables. I will take only, there are many tables we have created while we are experimenting, right? I will delete all the tables. Products 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I will delete. Okay. Drop table products 1, comma, products 2, comma, products 3, comma, products 5. I'm just dropping this. I'm just refreshing this. Yeah, only 2 tables I have. I hope this is clear for everyone. The drop table now. So I'm moving next one. Yeah, now you will see there are some SQL commands will be there now. There are some SQL commands will be there. So generally, whenever you go any interview, okay, whenever you go any interview, the people will ask that SQL command generally. So SQL commands mainly divide into 4 types. First one is called DDL. What is that? DDL. DDL is nothing but data definition language. Data definition language. And second one is DQL. DQL. DQL is nothing but data query language. And third one is DML. That is nothing but data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. And finally, fourth one, DCL, data control language. Data control language. Now, okay, this is SQL commands. All SQL commands are divided into 4 types. One is the data definition language, and second one is data query language. Definition. Yeah. Data query language, data manipulation language, data control language. If you know these commands very well, then your SQL, you can perfect in SQL. Generally, people will say like that. But I never teach this is as a first year. First, I never teach this theory part. DDL, DQL, DML, DCL. I directly jumped into a query part, and by the query part 1, part 2, part 3, we explained that part 1, part 2, part 3. Now, if you see in the part 1, the main things you see, what you see, ma? In the part 1? In the part 1, you see create a table, you have seen, right? Create a table. And you have seen create a table, and suppose drop, we have seen just now drop, and we have seen alter table, and we have seen truncate one, and next we have seen there's a mere commands, and we've seen rename also.
Insert.
No, insert we have seen, but that is coming to not this part. Why I'm writing specifically this is, there is a reason for this. Only these 5. Create, drop, alter, truncate, rename, and comment. And these 5, these 6, create, drop, alter, truncate, rename, and these 5 is called DDL, ma. DDL. These 5, simple. We already learned this. Now just categorization you have to see. Okay, DDL is nothing but data definition language. Generally, it is simply deals with some descriptions of database schema. That means you can create and modify the structure of database that you already know. You can create the database, and you can drop the table, truncate the table, alter the columns, rename the columns, and you know how to add the comments. And these all 6 commands is nothing but called a data definition language. So, is that clear? Data definition language?
Yeah. Yes.
Everyone. Very simple. You already know this. You know how to create the table. You know how to drop the table. You know how to alter the columns. You know how to truncate the table. You know how to rename the table. And you know how to comment the table. Everything is a table, right? Create the table, drop the table, alter the table, truncate the table, rename the table, comment, everything. So it is whenever you remember like that, so you can remember whatever you want. Now I will ask questions for you. Just by Pooja, what is, tell me about create command, ma? What is create command?
We create a database first, then we create a table.
Yes, very good.
In after that we insert the values.
No. That is next insert. So we are just talking about create. What is create? That's it.
Creating the table, database, anything.
Okay, very good. Ashim, what is drop, ma?
Drop is used to delete the data.
Yeah, delete
Delete
the data.
delete the whole table.
Yeah, delete the data. That's fine. Next. Davis, Christopher. Okay. Gnana Padala.
Yeah, hi.
Oh, you are there.
Sorry, I didn't know I was on mute.
Tell me about alter command.
Alter command.
Alter, yes.
Yeah, is a DDL.
Yeah. So okay, alter command means you can alteration, like normal English meaning alteration. Alteration means what? We can change some structure, right? Suppose I buy a
Yeah,
new
you
dress.
can also a column.
Yes, very good.
Yeah.
We can change the structure of the table.
Table.
Alteration. If I buy a new shirt, I'm a short guy, so that new shirt is a very big. So what should I do? I go and shop. I okay, do some alteration, like that. Like that, you can remember. Alter means you have to change the structure of the database. You can add the column, rename the column. You can do whatever you want. Yeah. Next, Jnanapadala, tell me about truncate.
Yeah, hi, Onkar. So truncate is used to delete all the data from the table.
Yes,
So
but not
it is
table.
different from, yeah, but not table. It is different from the drop.
Yes.
Yeah, I totally.
Jaya, tell me about rename. Okay. Jeevan Kumar.
It used to rename the either column or a table
Yes.
by
Very good.
using either store procedure or
Yeah, here
prompt.
in the especially here in the stored procedures only. MS SQL, like that. Okay.
Yeah.
But other MySQL, there is alter table actually is there. Alter command is there to rename actually. But here
Yes,
especially
yes.
we are using stored procedure. Very good. And comment, that is no need to ask the question comment. Now you can decide. First you want to learn this, or you want to go to part 1, part 2, part 3 step wise. I hope that is better, right? Part 1, part 2, part 3 you learn first the entire structure. Then
Yeah,
you can see DDL, DQL, DML, DCL.
yes.
Yeah, that is better approach.
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, that's why I thought this is very last. Okay. Next we will see. Next, DQL statement tools. DQL. In DQL data query language, the main statement is very simple statement is that is select. That's it. Select is a statement. Select statement is nothing but a query. Whenever you want to query something, then you want to display that, right? Querying. I want to know something. I want to see something. That means display that something. What is that? Then we'll come to the select part. So you can use to retrieve the data or display the data. Display the data. And while selecting this, select star, select some column. There is a case 1, case 2, you can see. Case 1, you can select star. Star means all the columns will come, right? All the columns will come. And case 2, you can select a specific column. The column 1, column 2 also you can give. Column 1, column 2, like that you can give. So in select statements, there are some other thing also there. If you want to select, I will see here. We'll just type here. So what is for me remaining is select star from products. Let's check this product. Okay, and TV as there. You can see customers. I want to move some more rows. Or we can go to here. If you want to add this, you can, how to add, right? Edit top 22 to 200 rows. Now I'm adding this as 3. And I'm adding this as the radio. And even I'm coming back, adding this as a 4. I'm adding this as a car. I'm adding this as 5. and I'm adding this some bus, and I'm saving here. Okay. Again, I'm writing product 6. Instead of inserting, it will take some time, right? Inserting. You know already how to insert. That's why I'm going to there. I just edited product. Yeah, there are 5 products are coming. Now all the products is coming, right? Here all the products are coming. Suppose if you want to use only a specific record. Suppose I want to get only top 3. Top 3 records I want to display. Only top 3 I want to display. That is. Then there is a command called select top. Select top. Select top. In the select only, select star, you know, select the specific columns, you know. Now we are dealing with a select top. So select top is nothing but select top 3. Okay, select top 3. Now, if you want to add all the columns or whatever the columns you can add. If I want to add all the columns, star again. Before selected only star is there. Now I want to see only top 3. The top 3 star. Again, some same as this products. Products. If I run this, I'll get this top 3. Simple. Select top 3 star from products.
But sir, whenever I run this syntax in PostgreSQL, it doesn't work there.
This top 3 is not there in some MySQL should support only limit. Okay, all right here. MySQL supports limit, and Oracle supports fetch. I think Oracle supports fetch. I think fetch first n first 4 like that. So different databases are different, especially for this. This is Microsoft SQL. So here we are using top 3.
Sir, what will be syntax in Postgres then?
In Postgres, that is fetch will work, I think.
Sorry, what sir?
Fetch.
Fetch. Okay.
Yeah. If fetch or limit, you can try either this. That's long back I tried. Not remember exactly. Fetch or limit you can. So select top, you understood, right? So next. Generally, selection method is called a retrieve method. I told you that already. It is a retrieve method. There are 2 retrieve methods will be available. Retrieve method, we can say one is called projection method. Projection method. Projection method is a directly retrieve, that is a without any condition. Without any condition. And second one is called selection method. Selection method, and this is we use a condition. We use a condition. Okay, very simple. Just understand. Generally, select is good for a retrieving method. Okay, it is called a retrieve method. In the retrieve, you can select by using a condition and without a condition. So what is meant by that condition? I will tell you now. What is meant by that condition? I'm just writing this. Now here comes my very important topic. This is very important. This we'll use a lot. Okay. Where class. Where class. Very important. Where class. Whenever if you want to apply any condition, based on the condition, if you want to do anything, then we will use where class. We'll write that what is the where class now. Now come here. So select top 3, it is over, right? Now just see here. I will just write select star from products. I want to see what are there actually. Any double is there. Okay. I'm adding one more thing. I'm just adding one more thing. 6 I am adding. TV I am adding. I'm adding one more thing. Let's execute this. Okay, this is the first command. Now, if I want to get only TV value, okay, if I want to see only what are the TV, only TV rows I want to get. Not top 3, not all, only some specific by using a condition. So select star from product where product name equal to TV. Simple. Now if you run this, the first table is all. Select star from products is the first table, and only TV means only TV values will come. Only TV values will come. Is that clear now? Where condition means?
Sir, can we use where condition to delete the duplicate?
Yeah, for all we can do. Every
For
condition we
every-
can do, and that we will see. Today's class we will apply many conditions on the where. We can delete that rows and also specific rows also you can delete by using where. You can add the values also by using where. Add the column records also. Till now we did not see the add the records, right? We did not see. So till now we did not work to add records mark. Keep it that mind. If you want, you can see here.
So that means we can edit the value, the records on the null value, right? Isn't it?
Yeah. What I'm saying is, till now we did not use any command to add the records. Okay, we did not work on that case. We will work that. Okay, keep that aside. Whatever we have done till now, that is entire thing creating a table and altering the table and about the columns inside the records. That part. But adding a new record or deleting a record and select that particular record, that we did not cover. That we will see now. Got my point, everyone?
Can you tell me one more time what you are saying?
So I'm going very step by step. So I'm just writing here again. So we have seen part 1, we just create a table or create a database or table. Next we add the columns and we inserted record and we display the data. This we have done. And in part 2, alteration we have done. That means alter commands. Alter commands means what? Adding a new column modify the column, modify column, drop the column, rename the column, and rename the table. And third part we have seen, drop the table or truncate the table. And part 4, we are applying in selection method. Select method, how to use condition. How to use condition. But in no way, we did not cover anything about records. In part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, we did not touch about any records, right? Is that clear? How to add a new record? How to delete a specific record? That we did not cover till now. Understood, everyone?
Yes.
So this is part 1. So you will get doubts whenever I am talking about where condition. So now what about the record? So I am feeding you like that. I am tuning your mind like that, step by step. So while you are learning, you need to learn a step by step way. So part 1 completed, part 2 completed, part 3 completed. The overall box, if you see a square box, the square box part is completed. Now if you want to see the inside the square box, that now you will deal with that. Now part 5th we will deal that. Part 5th. Everything about records. Now, before going to that, so what I am saying is, in select method, there are 3 types are there. Okay, that is called select, star is there, select a specific columns, as well as we can use with condition and without condition. With condition, without condition. So select top 3 or top 4, top number, top n. This all these 3. This all these 3. This all these 3. We can use with condition, with or without condition. And that condition name is what? Where. Where is the condition? So that we have seen here. Select a star from products is fine. Select star from products where product name is equal TV. Okay. And if you want to get top 3, top 4 or any distinct one, you can apply whatever it is. You can apply where condition you can apply. Okay. Next. That is called DQL. So DDL, DQL. Any doubts in this?
No.
Yeah, very good. So I'm writing next one. In part 5, we will see everything about records. Everything about records or rows. Now, for that, we will use a statement called command called update. What is that? Update. Update the data. Update the data. So update is a command. Update is a command to update all rows or a specific data in table. To update all rows or a specific rows in a table. That's called update. Here anything here product name is greater than equal to TV, or you can write one more condition like this. Okay, you can write many conditions. Okay, don't stick with this. Now suppose not only product name, you want to say product ID. Product ID. Product ID is equal to, suppose you want to 3 only. Product ID equal to 3. Run this, product ID equal to 3. That command only will come. If you want to greater than 3, run that only. That command will come. If you want less than 3, and that command will come. Got it? Anything you can see. When you see this condition, immediately you will strike. Immediately you will strike. Can I apply more condition? This doubt you will come, right? Can I apply more conditions? Yes, you can apply more conditions. Okay, you can apply more conditions. Not only condition 1, you can apply more condition 2, condition 3. That we will see now in update statement. Okay, please note down this condition. Product ID equal to 3, greater than 3, less than 3. Please note down that.
Sir, what will happen if we write select star from product where product is less than equal to 3?
That only I have written. No?
Is it greater than 3 or greater than equal to 3? The product ID 3 will show or not? It's showing
will
only greater than 3.
Equal means that will show, right?
Acha, I'm asking this question only. That ID 3 will come or not? Okay, thank you.
Yes, equal means that is will come. That is a normal math. That is, don't worry. Normal math will always say it will work. No error will come. So these conditions we can apply, and we can apply many conditions also. Like we can use and, we can use or, that kind also we can see. Okay, here only I am writing. See, suppose if I want to product ID is greater than 3 and product name equal to, only I want to TV. Now tell me how many rows will come? Select star from products I am writing. Now in that, product
Only
ID is
TV
equal
rows.
to greater than 3 and product name is equal to TV. How many rows will come?
4.
Observe very carefully. This should be greater than 3. That means what? 3, 4, 5, 6. In that and product name is called only
row.
TV.
2 row.
Only 1 row will come.
Sorry, one row. Yeah, sorry. Six, yeah.
1 row. And means the 2 conditions should satisfy. And means 2 conditions should satisfy. So the first condition, I am just writing here first condition. When I write this, it will come from 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, in that, my product name should be equal to what? TV. That is why and product name equal to TV. So and means 2 conditions should satisfy. So when I run this, only 1 value will come. Is that clear? And means 2 conditions satisfy. And means. That means or means. Now one more question. Now you tell me what is or. What
Or
would
is
be or?
basically optional.
Option.
Yeah, no need to
It's an
satisfy
optional.
both conditions. It can satisfy either the conditions.
Yes, all will come. Whenever TV is there, that value will come always, and greater than 3 also, equal to 3 also will come. So this condition satisfied, that values will come, and this product name equal TV, that condition satisfied, and that value also will display. That is or. Please note on this. Everyone, if you have any doubts, ask me. Please note down where condition less than equal to 3, equal to 3, greater than or equal to 3, and condition product TV, or condition product name equal to TV. Here or consider two conditions. Please note down. If you have any doubt, ask me now only.
Sir, can you show me the result to run again the last one or the upper one?
This one. If I'm writing 2.
Yeah. Yeah. Greater than or less than 1. Yeah.
The one is only one value satisfied, and another is the 5 record. Tell me when you are finished now.
I'm done.
So next, we'll do one more condition, one more modification. In operator we will see. Select star from products condition as well as in operator. Okay, where product ID in, you have to keep some bracket, okay? Product ID in 1, 5. 1, 5. What does this mean? That means I will get two records wherever product ID satisfy 1 and product ID satisfy 5. This is called in operator. Just running this TV and bus 1 and 5. In operator. Please note down that in operator.
So this in function is another one
Like
along
kind of
with
and.
the
and
yeah,
and.
that's what.
Yeah.
So would you repeat what this would do again, please?
Yeah, in operator means whenever the product ID should be this in. In means normal English word like in. It is there in.
Okay,
that
in
means
between.
not in
Something-
between.
Okay.
Not between. If product ID equal to 1, then retrieve the data and product ID equal to 5.
Okay.
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 If product ID PID equal to 1, retrieve that and PID equal to 5. Retrieve the data. It means. So the data is not there. Suppose I'm getting 10. Okay. Now what will come? Whatever there, that only will come. It is not there, that's why it is not retrieved. That's it. It's just an optional value. Like same in operator, we have not in operator also. Okay. The same condition I'm writing here. I'm just applying in place not in. Not in matlab kya hai? Not in means other than 1, 5 remaining all. Okay. In means only 1, 5. Not in means other than 1, 5. So other than 1, 5 means 2, 3, 4, 6 kind of, right? I've just run this thing. That is called not in. In, not in. In operator, not in operator, and operator, or operator. So next operator called between. So I'm writing same thing. I'm writing between. So between 1 comma 5 means what? 2, 3, 4, right? Between 1 comma 5. Why the syntax error is there? Between 1 comma 5. I think we should write like this. Between 1 and 5. Yeah. This will work. Yeah. It's called between. So this is between ma. Between 1 and 5 means 1 also will consider, 5 also will consider.
It means starting from 1 and end with the 5.
Yes.
In between, how many records are coming, then you
Yeah,
also
1 and 5 also will consider. The kind of and will take. Between 1 and 5. So you have seen many operators, right? And, or, in, not in, between. Okay, ma, finish. Good to go next.
yes, it's finished.
So next we will see the update statement now. Update. So update statement we will see. Now I'm first time writing case 1. Case 1. I'm updating a column. I want to add some value. Okay. I'm adding some value. Inserting means it will insert a next row. Okay. Insert means what? Insert into next row. Inserting is different. Update is different. Again, I'm repeating. Insert into means value inserted at next row. Update means wants to add value at a specific place. Specific place, or you want to remove that, want to update that. That is the different thing. Okay. So here insert into is different, update is different. If I want to update my product name with some laptop, okay. So now here update product name with laptop. If I say right like this, laptop, then I'm writing a sentence called update products 5, right? Only products, yeah, only products. Then you have to set the column, set class you have to write. That's called product name equal to, what is your product name? Laptop. That's it. So update the products, set product name equal to laptop. Now if you want to do select star from products, then just run this and execute. All are become laptop, laptop, laptop. All are laptop, laptop, laptop only. Be careful that this use case is very like a complicated one. If you forget to add some conditions, then it will insert all the values into laptop only. Okay, that's why we will add some conditions in which number you want to add the product ID, in which, at which row you want to add the product name, at which row you want to add a specific value, that we will take care of. So that the first I showed you, this is the case 1. Please note on this.
This one is similar as a default.
Yeah, default. But default, when you inserted a product name while creating a table, while adding a column, you will, as a default you will keep. Okay. You can't change that value. But here you are setting a product name explicitly. Laptop. Somehow it is a kind of default only. But what I am saying is, this use case 1 is a, we will not use a specific, we will not use every time, because the problem is what? If you use like this, all the values will be replaced with what? Laptop only. Now suppose we have a data set is there, bank data set. Your bank data set is there. Now you upload it. Suppose you will say education status all are primary by mistakenly, then everything will change, right? If you not apply where condition, if you want to update the specific row, if you want to apply education as a primary, so all the primary will be changed, that your data will lost. So that is the problem here. That's why in use case 2, what we will apply some condition. Case 2, we'll apply some condition. Apply with the condition. Okay, that means update products, set product name equal to, here I am writing pen drive. So where I want to apply, where product ID equal to exactly 4. So wherever 4 is there, there only that update value should update as a pen drive. Now select star this. So this is the second use case. So now 4th value is replaced as a pen drive.
If we suppose, for example, if we have a null column in any of the, then for the null I can fill it up, right?
We'll deal that null also.
Okay.
We'll deal that null also. We can fill that null, but we'll see how to fill. So this is the case 2. Case 1, if you not apply the where condition, all the values will be filled with only that one value. And case 2, you have to apply the where condition, and you can do the many conditions. You can apply and, you can apply or, you can apply in, or you can apply not in, between. Above we have seen, right? All the use cases also you can apply based on your requirement. Got my point, everyone? You can update the values. Not only product ID is there, and suppose if you have any another one is there, kind of like you can alter, you can create a new column, all column values will come null, then you can implement a new values. Suppose I want to write like this: alter table, alter table, table name. What is the table name? Products. Now I want to add a new column. Add city. Suppose city I have written. Add city, varchar 255. Okay. Then what will come? If I write select star product, this will come, right? Null, null, null is coming. Now if I want to update the city value, we want to, now I want to question for you, update city value between 2 and 5. Show me this command. Update city value with Hyderabad, suppose. With Hyderabad between 2 and 5. Show me this command in chat box, everyone. You got the question, right? Or should I repeat the question? Update city value, same. Update products, set city equal to Hyderabad, where you have to apply the condition. That condition should be a between condition. Update city as was where product ID 2 and 5. No, that is not the correct condition. product ID equal to 2 and product ID equal to 5, then only it is a condition. I hope that will be could be error, Pooja. At update city not right. Update table name. I think you did not execute that.
Yeah, I missed one line. Yeah, sorry. Said product name is equal to, I missed that.
Execute please. Yeah. Okay, this I am explain this. Next thing you will write. Okay. So what is that? Update products. Yeah. Yes. Update. If you not understand, ask me, ma. Update products. Next, set city. Right. City equal to what? With Hyderabad. Where product ID or whatever you want to write. Product ID between 3 to 5 we will see. Okay, 3 and 5. Why city is coming like select star from product. Got it? Hyderabad. Like this. Now, note down this, everyone. Now, next question. Show me this. Update city value with Chennai, where product ID equal to 5 and product name equal to pen drive. 5 and pen drive. I think that will not work. 4 and pen drive. This will work. Try this command. Show me. Update city value. I need more answers, ma. This time. Update product city where product ID. Very good. Next. More answers. Update product set city equal to Chennai. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes. Three members have written. More 2 members. 5 is the threshold. Okay. Update, you did not return a table name. Table name you need to return. Just copying this. Update product set city for me Chennai where product ID equal to 4 and product name equal to pen drive. And select star from products. Okay. Let's run this. What is Chennai? Pen drive is replaced to Chennai. Case 1, case 2, case. Please note down this. Those who are not completed, please note down. We'll go for case 3, I think. 3 or 4. Case 3. Null case. We'll write in the null value. Now I want to replace my null values with some Bangalore. Okay. I want replace my null values with Bangalore. So BLR. Bangalore. We'll just write that. Update products set city equal to where product where city equal to null, like that you will write. So whenever city equal to null, I want to replace that with the bank, but it will not return. It's actually a wrong one. Okay, when I type this, 0 rows affected. The syntax is correct, but it is not alter your code. It is not alter your result. The result will not change. Even though the syntax is correct, but the result will not change. Got my point? Whenever you write like this, your syntax is correct. Just update. Now I will see.
Your voice is breaking.
Again. 1 minute. I will just reconnect. Am I now?
No,
No, you're not.
no.
Now, any luck, any chance?
Yeah,
Still
no,
a
it's
little bit, that's
Am I
it. But
audible?
yeah, we can hear you. Yeah.
little better.
Due to some the data is over, I think. Today the office and here. Okay. So this now, whenever you write city equal to null, it will not update anything. But whenever you write city is null, that will update. Okay. So this will not work. Already there is not a null. Just type. Please note down. Sanket, can you give to me host? Am I audible, ma? Everyone?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes, yes, you are.
Must be a host. I think Sanket as having a host. Sanket, are you there? Sanket as. Give me a minute, ma. I'll just call. Okay, meanwhile, you will do one question. Update with null value. Okay. Update city name as null wherever product ID equal to 2. Update city name as null. Write a question. Update city value equal to null where product ID equal to 3. Till now we fill the values. Now we are not filling. We are updating with null values. Just do it that.
Could you repeat the question again, please?
Yeah, till now we added Bangalore, Chennai to city values, right? Now-
Yes, yes.
We are replacing city value as null, NULL null. Okay, same
Okay.
like,
Yeah, finished.
yeah, that's it. I think Sanket is admin or what?
Yeah, he's still the host.
I think he's admin. Yeah, Meenakshi, I think that's right. Yes, exactly. Shim, correct. Null, I think in an stop, not equal to null. Is it working that null?
No, sir.
I think it should work. This null is different, that null is different. Meenakshi null is a character and your null is a really a null value. Try with NULL. That is really a null value. Like actual null. Meenakshi thing is a character, it's a string null. Both are different actually.
Okay, I'll change it all.
Only 2-3 members are responding every time in the chat or there, like others are not at all responding. So we are not in offline, right? We are in online session, so you should respond. That is a right, actually mandatory thing. Okay, he is not responding the call also. What I will do is tomorrow I will share one question to you. Like I will create one question end-to-end thing, and I will share to all. I will give to the admin guys, and they will upload into portal, I think. You do it and
But
try
if you can send it in the WhatsApp, because we are in the WhatsApp group, that will be easy, I think.
Yeah, that will be pretty easy.
Then we will be knowing that what time you're posting it, so that we can work out from that time.
So you have already a WhatsApp group.
Yeah, we all are in WhatsApp.
I'm not added in the WhatsApp group.
Not
Yeah.
in WhatsApp, SQL WhatsApp group. Is it possible? Can you add me? Can I give you my number? No, I think someone from the sales team only they have added, and they like data engineering group they have kept. If you your even the video also we didn't get it, last class videos and all. I checked in the LMS.
Yeah, the old videos are not yet uploaded
Yeah.
on LMS. I thought they were gonna
What
do
is the
it.
group number?
It's just a second. I don't know if it's-
050522.
Yes, 050522. I'm in that same group as well.
Mine is not uploaded.
0422.
I guess the admin will have to look into it, make sure we all are in the same group so that he sends us the question and we all get it.
Or we can create ourselves in a one group. That'll be better again.
Yeah,
SQL
sounds
group.
fair. Sounds fair.
Yeah.
One of us has to take an initiative and collect everyone's numbers.
Yeah,
and create
we can put your numbers in the chat. Then what can someone
it.
can.
Sure. That'll do.
Hi, this is Trinad. So it looks like all of these week videos are not uploaded. Do we have to put a message in WhatsApp group?
Yeah, we were just discussing about it, and yeah, we just decided we will get a WhatsApp group so that we can update whatever queries we have.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, so I guess it will be easier if one of them takes an initiative and create a WhatsApp group so that just everyone just like send your mobile numbers in the chat box.
Something maybe someone knows the option of click here to join. That kind of, if somebody knows that, if you send that to everybody, whomever you know, then it is.
So the link you're talking about.
Yeah, link click to join the group. Just create a group and then send it here.
Yeah, I'll just look into it. They'll have to add at least like one contact, and then they'll have to do it.
Sherwin, you will do it?
Oh yeah, sure, I'll do it.
Oh.
Okay, I will create a question paper and I will upload into the group. I will check with the management also once why they are not uploading the videos. Okay.
So we will just make a group, and then then we will leave the class.
Yeah. So please do that.
Um,
Omkar, in the meantime, can you please share your database in the chat window, please?
It will be pretty helpful for us to just refer it.
Yes. Yes.
Database.
Your SQL file, sorry, whatever you're working on the SQL file, that
Yeah, I will-
SQL file,
Yes.
please.
Is not in order, but I'm sharing.
Yeah, that should be fine because you're doing the comments, you're commenting, so it should be fine.
Omkar, just as an inquiry actually, because I don't know what's the syllabus covered. I had difficulty earlier with some of the ranking functions and windows and also like I was kind of finding difficulty with CTE recursive hierarchy based logics to build in SQL.
Okay.
Are they covered in our syllabus or?
Which one?
Like
Tell me
some of
once. Once again, tell me.
Do we basically cover the ranking and writing basically CTEs?
Okay. That are not covered.
They're not needed for data engineering, right?
Yeah, that are not needed.
Okay.
That will not cover. And I shared today's session also, ma. Anyhow, this host is not coming, right? So I shared a session 27 with 5022. In that there, what should I should cover, that will be there in that. Okay.
Okay.
Try to go to that. Other than that, I will share the SQL queries also.
Okay.
So every day I prepare a class for you and to make you understand, right? So that file that I shared now, just now. But I will share that SQL queries also. Well, query 9 and query 7. Four. So only delete, I need to go take finish the delete one. Update has completed. Only delete should complete it. In that Word document, I have shared one Word document, right? If you can go through that Word document, there is a delete part also there. You can practice. Otherwise, we can cover it next class anyhow. I will create a question like end to end with some good use case type of question. Okay. That use case type of question, try to practice that.
Oh yeah, everyone, I've sent the WhatsApp invitation link in the chat box, so you guys can please join that. And Omkar, please do join the WhatsApp group so that you can send your question tomorrow in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, definitely. Once I will check with this management and I can join. Okay.
Sure.
I should not join like that. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. That's good.
Yeah. Okay, ma. Then take care. Happy weekend. Once we will join the WhatsApp group, right? If you have any doubts, queries, you can ping me. Okay. Okay, then bye. Take care.
Have a good evening.